on Get Epic called Animal Habitats. I thought it went perfect since we're talking about plant and animal habitats this week. And if, when you're done watching this video, you would like to go find it, just go ahead on Get Epic afterwards and you can type in the search bar Animal Habitats. It'll bring you right up to this book, okay? All right, let's go ahead and get started. But before we do, can anyone tell me what a habitat is? Well, if you can't yet, don't worry. I'm going to teach you all about it. All right, let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to minimize my screen, put me at the top, right over here. Hope you can still see me. All right, what is a habitat? Well, this is going to answer my question. An animal's habitat is its home. A habitat contains all the things an animal needs to survive. An animal needs food, water, and shelter to survive, just like us. We need all of those things. Those are needs, right? Not wants, needs. Animals depend on other animals, plants, and their environment to live. This is called an ecosystem. It's a beautiful ocean ecosystem right down there too. I love it. Desert habitats. Many different animals make their habitats in the desert. A desert is a dry region with extreme temperatures and very little rain. Who lives here? Let's look at the pictures to see. It looks like a snake, bird, and cactus, or cacti if there's more than one. Rattlesnakes hide in rocky crevices to stay cool. These are known as snake dens. Now let's go back to this word crevice. Rocky crevice, it's like a crevice is like a hole. So it's like a rocky hole. Cactus wrens make their nest inside cactuses. The prickly cactus spines protect the nest from predators. So this is the cactus wren from that picture. Cactuses store water in their stems. Many desert animals rely on cactuses for their water supply. Desert plants and animals must adapt to a harsh environment. Scorpions have adapted to living in hot deserts by being nocturnal. Let's find out what nocturnal means. So coming out at night, active at night. Find out more. Deserts usually get less than 10 inches of rain per year. Arctic habitats. Not all deserts are hot. The Arctic is a cold, icy desert. It is located around the North Pole. Who lives here? Polar bears hunt and eat seals. Female polar bears make dens in the snow to give birth to cubs. So dens are like a cave. Beluga whales live in the Arctic Ocean. They can survive on the ocean's freezing temperatures because they have a thick layer of blubber. Arctic plants and animals must adapt to harsh environment. In winter, the Arctic fox has white fur that blends in with the snow. In the summer, it sheds its white coat for brown fur. This allows it to stay camouflaged as the snow melts. And I remember us talking about camouflaged. Remember, camouflage, I'm pulling it up now, is to hide or disguise themselves. Woodland habitats. Woodland habitats are filled with trees and plants. Trees and plants can provide food and shelter. Let's see who lives here. Squirrels build nests in the woodland trees. They eat nuts, fruit, and seeds. Raccoons make their dens in hollow trees or brush piles. Great horned owls hunt many different animals, including raccoons and squirrels. Many animals use trees and plants to hide from predators. Young deer are called fawns. Their white spots help them blend in with the woodland plants. So you can see how their spots are helping them right now. Blend in under this bush. Rainforest habitats. Tropical rainforests are warm and wet. Thousands of different kinds of plants and animals live in rainforests. Let's see who lives here. Poison dart frogs come in many different colors. Their bright colors warn other rainforest predators to stay away. But they really make for a beautiful looking frog. Toucans nest in tree holes. They use their large, colorful beaks to reach fruit. Golden lion tamarins? Is that how you say that? No definition. Tamarins are as small as squirrel. My bad. Okay, let me read that whole sentence again because I messed that whole thing up. Golden lion tamarins are as small as squirrels. They live in the subcanopy of the rainforest. They eat lizards, fruit, insects, and birds. And I'm going to go ahead and click on subcanopy and find out what that is. No definition. Well, it is bolded, so I'll wait till the end of the book. We'll see if there's a glossary. Many rainforest animals lose their habitats because of deforestation. The blue morpho butterflies are one of the animal species becoming endangered because of deforestation. Freshwater habitats. Most of the earth is covered in water, but only 1% of it is freshwater. Freshwater habitats include ponds, lakes, rivers, and streams. Let's see who lives in the freshwater habitat. Bluegills live in ponds, lakes, and slow-moving streams. Male bluegills build nests for the female bluegill's eggs. Freshwater turtles climb onto rocks or logs to warm themselves in the sun. Egrets nest in trees near water and gather in groups called colonies. They eat fish, frogs, mice, and other small animals. Some freshwater habitats are harmed by pollution. Frogs and toads cannot live in polluted places. Healthy frogs indicate a healthy habitat. Ocean habitats. About 70% of the Earth's surface is covered in ocean water. Ocean water is salty. Let's see who lives in the ocean habitat. The killer whale, also known as the orca, lives in every ocean around the world, but is most common in Arctic and Antarctic waters. So that's going to be in like cold areas. So the Arctic at the top, Antarctic at the bottom, and they're very, very, very cold waters. The octopus is recognized by its 8 tentacles. Octopuses, I'm pretty sure it's called octopi, but okay, can change the color of their skin to blend in with their habitats. Stingrays are fish. They prefer shallow, near-shore waters in warm parts of the world. They spend most of their time lying partially buried on the ocean floor, hiding from predators. Coral reefs are warm, shallow ocean habitats. Many ocean animals make their home in a coral reef. Seahorses use their tails to anchor themselves to seagrasses and corals. Ooh, fun! Drag each animal to their correct habitat. Can I do that? It's not letting me do it. All right, it's not letting me do it. Oh, yes, the glossary. All right, so we need to find out subcanopy. Here it is. A layer of trees that is below the canopy trees. Very interesting. All right, let me move my thing over and we can answer some of these questions since we just read the book. Click on the correct answer. Number 1, a habitat is an animal's, is it prey, home, or ecosystem? All right, let's move on to question 2. Many rainforest animals lose their habitats because of deforestation. Is it true or false? All right, question 3. Which of the following is not a freshwater habitat? A pond, lake, or ocean? Right, well, I hope you enjoyed me reading this story to you. Remember, you can find it on Get Epic. And just type in the title of the story, which is Animal Habitats, and it'll bring you right to this page where you hopefully can do the activities, because I obviously could not. All right, see ya.